Hey, what's up guys, this is Incognito from Fly. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So today I'm gonna show you how you can get incognito mode on YouTube. So without further ado, let's get started. So those of you who don't know what is incognito mode, let me explain you first, then let's see how you can get it. It's a feature which was founded on Chrome browser till now. Now this feature has been rolled out to YouTube. So basically this feature keeps all your online activity secure by preventing someone to keep track on what you search, what you do online, what products you buy online, what website you visit, and all other stuff like that. Have you ever noticed sometimes you get relevant ads related to what you recently searched for while watching YouTube videos or surfing on internet? Have you ever wondered how do you get relevant ads? So the answer is this ad companies spoof or track all of your activity from Google and show you the ads about a specific product or anything else that you recently searched for. It's very dangerous, right? Knowing what you do online without your permission. So you can secure yourself and prevent them from keeping an eye on you by using incognito feature, which makes you work private. So now let's see how to get this incognito mode on YouTube. So you have to be on the latest YouTube app. If not, then update it. Let me show you. I'm on my older YouTube app. This feature is not available now, as you can see. So let's update it by going to play. So I will be back once I updated my YouTube app. So this is the new interface of YouTube. If you click on your account at the right side corner, and there you go, you will find the incognito mode sitting there. So if you tap on it, it will go to the incognito mode. As you can see at the bottom written, you are in incognito. Now whatever you watch and all your searches have been secured now. So in this way you can get incognito mode on YouTube. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. If you hated it, you know what to do. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button down below and the bell icon too, so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video on my channel. Till next time, this is Incognito from Fly signing off. You guys have a great day.